Need a roofing system that is engineered to protect your most valuable assets, your people and your property, and is 100% tax deductible and affordable? Welcome to Thermal-Tec's MR Multi-Ply Roofing System. The MR Multi-Ply Roofing System is a unique blend of conventional roofing products, which includes asphalt, the most effective waterproofing product ever developed, a polyester membrane that maintains its flexibility indefinitely over the length of the warranty. Then the system is finished with a roofing granule or an industrial reflective finish. These steps form the foundation of Thermal-Tec's MR Multi-Ply Roofing System, which is designed to protect your most valuable assets, your people, and your property from today's aggressive production-driven environments. The MR Multi-Ply Roofing System is designed for pre-engineered steel buildings and uses high-tech products like geotextiles. It is a fluid-applied system, not a coating, offering the highest hail impact resistance rating and maintaining waterproofing throughout its life cycle, making it the most advanced roofing option available. I'm Bo with Thermal-Tec Multi-Ply Roofing Systems. Every day before work starts, our crew leaders go over all safety procedures for the job. The work begins by preparing the roof surface by power washing or broom cleaning. The fasteners are inspected, and Plytech tape is applied. Then we start by applying a thick layer of asphalt over the prepared roof, which acts as an adhesive rust-proofing agent. Next, we embed the polyester into the asphalt following the roof's corrugation, adding a flexible strengthening membrane to the roof surface. Then a top layer of asphalt is applied to provide waterproofing. This is left to cure as the asphalt sets and seals the roof. Approximately 6 weeks later, we apply either black granules on wet asphalt or an industrial reflective finish to complete the roof system. After completing the roof, we clean up the entire work area, leaving nothing behind besides a durable, renewable, leak-free roof. Thermal-Tec offers unmatched value in the roofing industry with quality materials and service. It's 100% tax deductible, affordable, and comes with an outstanding renewable warranty. Let our experts solve your roofing problems. Contact us for a roof inspection and analysis to solve all your roofing needs.